Hey folks, this is my iPhone 6s Plus. Been using this for a while. It's still pretty sturdy even in 2023. I use this as my predominant phone right now. It's been pretty good. It's even jailbroken at iOS 15.3 on here. Never had an issue with this phone, and not in a really big hurry to upgrade to a newer one. Still snappy, it's not slow by any means. Look in the about section, everything's still speedy. I don't know, it's still pretty vibrant phone. Surprisingly, the technology is still there. Storage capacity is about 128 gigabytes. Currently using half of that. It's not filled up with junk. I literally use this phone for everything. Upload videos on YouTube, to take all the pictures, to record the videos too as well. My only downside about this is it's not 5G, but even then, it's I think I'm fine with that. I've used 5G phones and their speeds are greater, but 4G LTE has came a long way so far. So apps are still snappy. You can literally use this still a daily driver. And this phone's a couple years old. Open a TikTok app, still works as well. So like I said, man, this type of videos for the app seems to work great. I think I will eventually upgrade at some point, but trying to hold out for as long as I can, because I don't really see any big significant difference between, let's say, iPhone 14 and this phone. Still makes calls are crystal clear, still takes videos, camera works great. It still has the messages. I'm able to browse all social media apps, so there's nothing I'm really missing out on. So, I like this phone still. I think I might keep it for at least another year or two. Probably not a year. Depends on how far Apple allow me to update to. But yeah. Plus, like I said, it's jailbroken, so I don't have to worry about it. So I like this phone. Alright, thanks for watching. Just a quick update and see if this phone is still usable in 2023, and it still is. Alright, thank you.